You want to attract money? This is for you. You want to attract husband, wife? This is for you. In this video, I'll be teaching you the powerful method, the powerful recipe, the powerful remedy that works very well for attraction. You want to attract destiny helpers? This is for you. Anything at all you want to attract, okay? And this video is for you. All about attraction.
I have the gift of seeing. That's why people call me the Seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problems and the solutions. Where there is God, everything and anything is possible. Your happiness is my concern.
In this video, I'll be teaching you the powerful method, the powerful recipe, the powerful remedy that works very well for attraction. You want to attract money? This is for you. You want to attract destiny helpers? This is for you. You want to attract husband, wife? This is for you. Anything at all you want to attract, okay? And this video is for you. This is all about attraction. Now, the ingredients needed for this are very, very simple. I'm telling you, you will love me for this. I think with this video, you will call me and tell me thank you. Attraction is simple. God has destined us, and God has created a mind that whatever we think, that we get. That's why they say there's power in your tongue and there's all your mind. Just that sometimes it delays, and the delay is what make us think whatever we think or say does not normally come to pass. This I'm going to teach you. We amplify everything, and that you request for, that you think you get it almost immediately. You are going to get 71 cloves. If you don't know what is cloves, Google it. Get 71 cloves. After you have got 71 cloves, get one bunch of alligator pepper. 71 cloves and one bunch of alligator pepper. Right? After you have gotten these 71 cloves and one bunch of alligator pepper, get a pot. Pour the 71 cloves inside. And remember, when you are going to make use of this cloves, make sure you select them. Some of them that the flower, the head has removed, is no longer complete, so you can no longer use that particular one. Okay, it's no longer complete. You can no longer use that particular one, so you must use the one that is still complete. You must select the cloves, make sure they are complete. And the alligator pepper you are going to use, when you are buying it in the market, look at it very well. Okay, make sure it has not been open, maybe pitch open or sorry. It's still 100% sealed. Inside your pot, put one bunch of alligator pepper inside. Add the 71 cloves. Cover it. Let everything burn to ash. After everything have burned to ash, then you now use something like a blender. You can use I say blender, something like stone, to blend everything together, right? So that you have that black dust. After you have blended everything together like this, that is the black dust. You have blended together now. You have everything down. Then the next thing you are going to do, get any cream you make use of. Be it cream, be it oil, anything at all that you normally use to rub your body. Get it. Cream or oil that you are using. Get it. After you have gotten your cream or oil, that one you have made, you can use it for several times. It's going to be much, right? So you remember, when you are going to make use of cream or oil, or body oil, don't use the one that have already been used, and make sure you get new one. Then the new one you have get fresh from it, you must not pour everything inside. Fresh from it, pour it inside the cream or the oil. Pray on it, attraction. Any day you rub this on your body, you must attract the right people. You must attract destiny helpers. You must attract money. People will be willing to give you money. You must attract favor. You get favor in the eyes of men and women. You want money to come to you freely, easily, and effortlessly. You want the right man to come to you freely, easily, and effortlessly. Then you make that prayer. When I don't make it that prayer, how you want everything to be, then you cover it. You don't use it till after 3 days. You allow everything to be inside that. You don't open it after 3 days. After 3 days, you cannot open it. Then you start using it. Once you start using it, no other person should use that same cream with you. It's made for you and you alone. If you want to help anybody, if you want to help, you fetch from the other one and give to that person. If you are a spiritual, you can be selling this one First give, first say, first say. Now, as long as nobody sees that cream with you, as long as it's only you using that cream, believe me, anything you think that moment, anytime you're using it, whatever you think, I believe you must get it. See, the thing is that whether you believe this or not, right? Once you are using this, eh, if you think, if you think of, if you are living, the disadvantage of this one, I must warn you is that you, anytime you are using this, you have to be careful of what you think. If any negative thought comes to your mind, you have to correct it immediately. Maybe for example, now you are going and maybe this person I will go to meet now, this person will chase me out of his house. It will work because this one will amplifies that. If you go that place, that person will definitely what chase you out because this one amplifies your thought. Whatever you think of, that you get. So if you want good things, that you keep thinking about good things. So if you want bad things, you think about bad things. So that's why when you're using this one, I will definitely warn you that anytime you're using this, you have to be very much careful of what you think. Very much careful of what you think. You don't think negative. If anytime you think negative, there's a way to cancel it. If for example you are taking negative, maybe we are going to a person and I say, what of if this person chase me out of the house? Yes, the person will chase me out of there. You just take your money and leave my house. And you just use anger. You can use anger and give me all the money. I say leave out, or maybe you will give me more than you expected. You will not say, oh, yeah, go. You update it in your favor. So whatever you have put in the universe, it's hard for you to what to remove it rather than what you update it. It's hard for you to remove it. You understand? Rather than what you update it. You update what you have put out there. Do you get? So if you find this video helpful, do it to like, share, subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss other important video from me. Where there is God, anything and everything is possible. See you guys in the next video.